Welcome to our journey through the Louvre Museum in Paris, home to some of the world's most iconic artworks and historical treasures. The Louvre can be overwhelming due to its sheer size and vast collection, comprised of over 380,000 objects within its 72,735 square meters of exhibition space, spread across more than 400 rooms. This immense scale can make navigation challenging. Focusing on key masterpieces can help structure your visit. In this video, we'll explore 10 must-see highlights that will make your visit unforgettable. The Winged Victory of Samothrace. A stunning Hellenistic sculpture that represents the goddess Nike. It is celebrated for its dynamic pose and intricate drapery. Found in the Denon Wing, room 703. Mona Lisa by Leonardo da Vinci. This iconic painting is renowned for its enigmatic expression and is one of the most famous artworks in the world. From the moment you enter the Louvre, you will see signs leading to the Mona Lisa. Liberty Leading the People by Eugene Delacroix. This powerful painting commemorates the July Revolution of 1830 in France. It captures the spirit of freedom and is displayed in the Denon Wing, room 700. The Coronation of Napoleon by Jacques-Louis David. A grand depiction of Napoleon crowning himself and Empress Josephine. You can find it in the Denon Wing, room 702. The Raft of Medusa by Theodore Géricault. A dramatic romantic painting that illustrates the aftermath of a shipwreck. This artwork is located in the Denon Wing, room 700. The Wedding at Cana by Paolo Veronese. The largest painting in the Louvre, it depicts the biblical wedding feast and is filled with vibrant colors and intricate details. Located in the Denon Wing, room 711. Psyche Revived by Cupid's Kiss by Antonio Canova. A beautiful neoclassical sculpture that captures a tender moment between Cupid and Psyche. It is displayed in the Denon Wing, room 403. Venus de Milo. This ancient Greek statue is believed to represent Aphrodite, the goddess of love. Its beauty and mystery have captivated audiences since its discovery. It is located in the Sully Wing, room 346. The Great Sphinx of Tanis. This impressive ancient Egyptian statue serves as a guardian figure and is notable for its size and historical significance. Found in the Sully Wing, just at the end of the medieval Louvre. The Crouching Scribe. An exceptional example of ancient Egyptian art, this statue is known for its lifelike features and vivid colors. Found in the Egyptian Antiquities section of the Sully Wing, room 635. These masterpieces represent just a fraction of the Louvre's vast collection, but they are essential stops for any visitor looking to experience the museum's highlights. We hope this glimpse into its extraordinary collection has inspired you to delve deeper into the world of art and history. Each masterpiece we've highlighted tells a unique story, reflecting the creativity and spirit of its time. The Louvre holds countless other treasures waiting to be discovered, from lesser-known works to hidden gems tucked away in its vast galleries. We invite you to return, whether in person or through future videos, to continue your journey through this magnificent institution. The art and stories of the Louvre are endless, and each visit promises new insights and inspiration.